How to support liver health and prevent nafld. Hey there, welcome to today's video. If you're here, you're probably already familiar with nafld, or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and you know just how serious of a health issue it is. But did you know that fructose is amongst the major contributors to the development of nafld? That's right, these so-called natural sugars are often found in our favorite foods and drinks, and they can have some pretty harmful effects on our bodies. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of fructose and explore how it contributes to nafld. We'll also discuss some strategies for avoiding fructose and incorporating foods that can help support liver health into our diets. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. What is fructose and how is it harmful? To say the least, fructose is one of the most misunderstood and misused sugars out there. Often marketed as a natural alternative to regular sugar, fructose is actually a type of simple carbohydrate that is found in many fruits and vegetables. However, when it is refined and added to processed foods and drinks, it can have some serious negative effects on our bodies. One of the main mechanisms by which fructose can contribute to nafld is through its impact on weight gain. Studies have shown that high fructose consumption can lead to weight gain, obesity, and other related health issues like diabetes and heart disease. This is because fructose is metabolized differently than other sugars, and it can cause an increase in abdominal fat and liver fat. As a result, individuals who are overweight or obese are at an increased risk of developing nafld. In addition to weight gain, fructose has also been shown to increase inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been identified as a key factor in the development of nafld, and research has shown that high fructose intake can contribute to this inflammation. This is particularly concerning as inflammation has been linked to the progression of nafld from simple fatty liver to more severe forms of liver disease, such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. Finally, fructose has been shown to alter the way the liver processes fats, leading to an accumulation of fat in the liver. This accumulation of fat, known as steatosis, is one of the main characteristics of nafld. High fructose intake can lead to an increase in liver fat, which can in turn contribute to the development of nafld. Strategies for avoiding fructose. Roughly 25% of the added sugars in the average American diet come from fructose, making it one of the most commonly consumed added sugars. But with its potential negative effects on weight gain, increased risk of diabetes and heart disease, and inflammation, it's important to find ways to reduce our fructose intake and hence protect our health. Here are some strategies for avoiding fructose. Read labels and understand what ingredients to look out for. Fructose can be found in all sorts of products, from sweetened drinks to processed snack foods. By looking for words like fructose, high fructose corn syrup, or fructose glucose syrup, we can better understand what's in the products we're consuming and make more informed choices. Use alternative sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit instead of fructose. These sweeteners are derived from plants and have a much lower impact on blood sugar levels, making them a healthier option for those looking to avoid fructose. Focus on whole, natural foods that are minimally processed and don't contain added sugars. This means choosing fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and protein sources like lean meats and plant-based proteins. And don't forget the importance of cooking and preparing meals at home, as this gives us more control over the ingredients we use and helps us avoid hidden sources of fructose. Choose unsweetened or minimally sweetened beverages. This includes water, unsweetened tea and coffee, and low sugar or sugar-free options like flavored water or seltzer. Limit your intake of processed snack foods and sweet treats. These often contain high amounts of added sugars, including fructose. Instead, opt for whole, natural snacks like fruits, nuts, or vegetables. Avoid sweetened condiments and sauces. Many of these products contain added sugars, including fructose. Instead, try using herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals. Use honey or maple syrup as a natural sweetener in place of fructose. These options are less refined and have a lower impact on blood sugar levels. Make sure to get enough fiber in your diet. Fiber can help to reduce the negative effects of fructose on the body by slowing its absorption and reducing its impact on blood sugar levels. Consider incorporating these foods into your diets and avoiding processed foods and drinks that are high in chemical additives, so you can work to support liver health and prevent the development of nafld. Foods that can help support liver health In the last portion of this video, we'll be exploring some of the foods that can help support liver health and prevent the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. These foods are an important part of a well-rounded, healthy diet and can make a big difference in the health of our livers. First, let's talk about foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats can help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against liver damage. Some great sources of omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon and sardines, as well as nuts and seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds. Artichokes are another liver-supportive food to consider adding to your diet. These tasty vegetables are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to help protect the liver from damage and improve overall liver function. Artichokes contain a compound called cynurin, which has liver protective effects and can help to reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are also great choices for supporting liver health. These vegetables are high in antioxidants and can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are another excellent option, as they contain compounds that protect us against liver damage and improve liver function. Other foods that can support liver health include garlic, ginger, turmeric, and beets. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the liver from damage and improve overall function. Ginger is another great choice, as it has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Turmeric is another liver-loving spice that has protective effects on the liver. Its active ingredient, curcumin, acts by reducing inflammation and protecting against liver damage. And beets are also a great choice. These vibrant root vegetables are high in antioxidants and therefore enhance liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's not just about the foods we consume, but also about the foods and substances we choose to avoid. Processed foods and drinks that are high in chemical additives can be hard on the liver and should be limited as much as possible. You would want to stick to whole, natural foods whenever possible to give your liver the best chance at staying healthy. Conclusion: we come to the end of this video on non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and the importance of avoiding fructose and supporting liver health. We hope you found this information helpful and are now armed with strategies for reducing your fructose intake and protecting your health. Note that it's crucial to take control of what we put into our bodies and make mindful decisions about our health. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.